keyboard and typing. Use the keyboard. To access the device keyboard, from a text entry option, select the keyboard icon. To use a T9 keyboard, swipe right, then select the keyboard icon. T9 allows words to be entered by a single key press for each letter. To capitalize the first letter typed, select the Shift key. Double-tap the Shift key to enable Caps Lock. Select the desired characters on the corresponding key to enter text. As you enter your text, word suggestions will appear above the text keyboard. Select the desired word or continue typing the desired word. To enter numbers, symbols, or emojis, swipe right, then select the desired keyboard. To adjust keyboard settings, select the Settings icon. Use Bixby Voice. To use Bixby Voice for speech-to-text capability, from the Text Entry selection screen, select the microphone icon. Select Agree. Select the checkmark icon. Speak the desired message when you see Speak Now on the screen.